Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this orange beast that's sitting behind me. 1988 Land Rover 110 soft top in 8-seater spec. Beach runner effectively. Anyway, hope you like it. 2 videos, 1 walk around, 1 driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end of both videos. Okay, let's take this excuse me, 1988 Land Rover 110 200 TDI soft top that's just come out of full refurbishment for a spin, showing 95,000 miles. That may go up very slightly because it is an occasional use by us as a promo thing at the moment. But yeah, let's fire it up. All light, ignition light come up as they should. Start smartly. It's not smoky. Into gear and off we go. No signs of any overheating. It's a very warm day here today and the temperature gauge is sitting dead on the halfway point. And just trundles down the road very happily. Gearbox is nice, it's an LT77 gearbox. Letting my foot off the throttle sharply. There's no backlash in the transmission. Considering it's on such big aggressive tyres, it actually tracks nice and straight, but it steers properly as well. It has got an uprated steering damper on it. But it drives very well indeed, as you'd expect, having just been torn apart and completely rebuilt. May hear a bit of noise, but I have got I've got the sides rolled up and the back rolled up. It's such a nice day today. Along really smartly. Coats and bumps very nice. There's no nasty noises or anything. Track straight. Say steers nicely as well. Braking wise it feels fine. This one's also got discs on the back. It's got a Discovery rear axle on it. Oh, indicator self cancel. So I think there we have it. It's fresh out of rebuild, so I can't really criticise it. It just does what it's supposed to do. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more info. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this 1988 fully refurbished 110 soft top. Lights come up as they should. Go out as they should. So showing just under 95,000 miles at the minute. Okay. There's 200 TDI engine just doing what it's supposed to. It's a Copper Defender 200 TDI lump as well. While we're here, let's take this off. No change of engine note there, all as it should be. It's not heavy breathing. There we go.